Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to attract birds with my new bird feeder. I've got a fantastic spot picked out, and I can't wait to see all the beautiful birds flocking to it. I'm hoping for more exciting visitors like cardinals or woodpeckers soon. The great thing about this location is that it provides a clear view from the couch, so I can sit back and enjoy watching the birds while sipping on my coffee. I've also taken the necessary precautions against squirrels, as you all know how annoying those little critters can be, but don't worry. They won't be an issue here, or at least not yet. So stay tuned as we embark on this bird watching journey together. Who knows what kind of feathered friends we might encounter. Thanks for joining me in this adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy bird watching.